From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, everyone. Penn State student meteorologist Brian Michigan here with a look at that Friday afternoon CNET forecast. We're going to kick things off looking statewide. A very similar trend as you look across our four main cameras here. Very overcast, dreary, and damp day as we've had some showers move through for many hours of the day today. Even some raindrops showing up here on our Beaver Stadium camera, and you can even notice the reduced visibility due to some of the showers that are moving through at this time. So temperatures across central Pennsylvania, mainly dealing with the lower 50s at this time, but a touch warmer there in Harrisburg, getting close to that 60-degree mark with a current temperature of 59. Now as we look statewide, even getting into the 60-degree point there in Philadelphia, coming in at 62, that's where we're dealing with some more sunshine there. The rain showers haven't quite taken place in that area of the Commonwealth. Upper 60s, though, as you head to the north and west. Now, as I mentioned, with the precipitation moving through the state today, some areas of heavier showers earlier in the afternoon for many areas of central Pennsylvania. Still dealing with the steadier showers, I should say, across the state, but you can see the clearing there off to the south and east, which is helping temperatures to be elevated off to our south and east. Now, zooming things out, you can see there's our low pressure system that is creating all this disturbed weather, even some severe chances across the Midwest today. It's going to be moving its way eastward as we head throughout the next 24 hours. So severe weather definitely in the equation here in Pennsylvania as we get into tomorrow. Now we're going to time it out for you, maybe drying up briefly as we head into the early evening hours of tonight, but as we get into the 11 o'clock time frame, that's where we're going to see some showers push their way through central Pennsylvania. Could be a bit heavier showers at times until around the 7 o'clock time frame where this first batch of showers starts to move off to our east. However, we're going to dry up briefly, and the sun will even begin to come out and heat the Earth's surface for the morning hours of tomorrow and even into the early afternoon. However, as we get into the 3 o'clock time frame, a line of showers and even thunderstorms will be working their way across Pennsylvania, maybe with the threats of damaging winds and even some hail possible for us here in central Pennsylvania. As that begins to work its way off to the east into eastern Pennsylvania and even into New Jersey, that's where the chance of maybe an isolated tornado arises as well. So if you are under the threat for severe weather, certainly have a plan in place to make sure you can keep yourself and your family safe. As our low pressure system works off to the east, that's where our winds are going to be moving out of the north and west, dropping our temperatures and even giving us the chance for some lake effect rain and snow showers as we head into the overnight hours in places like Bradford and Franklin, getting in on the lake effect snow showers there. So again, to highlight the severe weather risk, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk for severe weather across much of Pennsylvania and the Northeast as well, with the main threats being damaging winds, hail, and again, can't rule out the chance for a tornado. So for tonight, 48 degrees with the wind gusts being amplified with some of those showers that move through. Tomorrow, that's where the severe weather really takes shape. Temperature getting close to 70 degrees here, but again, going to be gusty in some of those thunderstorms with wind gusts approaching 40 miles per hour in some spots. But again, make sure to have a plan in place for any severe weather that comes your way. And for your 7-day forecast, we're going to dry off for Sunday and Monday. Temperatures take a dive for Sunday as well, not getting out of the 40s. However, we will be returning to the 60s to start the next week, even getting into the mid-70s by Wednesday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Brian Michigan. Have a great night.